Welcome to the second part of the second class of the ITIRE Project Training Course working with children and families from a refugee background in early childhood and care services. What pedagogical practices have a positive impact on working with children from a refugee background? An interesting contribution comes from Mitchell, who maintains that some pedagogical strategies prove to be especially effective while working with children and families from a refugee background. Among them, cultural artifacts and artworks from the children's home country can be used intentionally to facilitate dialogue and understandings of cultural diversity. Providing a combination of sight, sound, touch, smell, and taste experiences that mirror aspects of the children's original cultures is another good strategy that helps children feel they belong and convey a message of respect and appreciation to the parents. Drawing and storytelling are pivotal resources that help promote dialogues with children about events, places, and people that are significant to them. Drawings and book stories provide a good ground as well to start developing conversation with parents about the child and their expectations regarding education. Actively exploring the area surrounding the service is an effective way of familiarizing children with the new place they are living in. It helps them position themselves within the cultural and natural background of the place, know the land and its resources, and develop a sense of belonging. This activity can also be used to talk about children's home countries and comment on similarities and differences. Evidence shows that helping children from a refugee background settle in ECEC services requires to develop flexible strategies that promote parents' involvement beyond predetermined procedures and expectations. These strategies are facilitated by close working relationships between services and other agencies, as for example, health, social, psychological, and housing services. The development of this multi-agency activity should address the needs of the whole child and family through a whole service approach. The main dimensions of the whole service approach are the following: service policies and practices, partnership with parents and carers, service organization, ethos, and environment, curriculum, play, and learning, and partnership with agencies. The whole service approach pursues the following goals concerning the organization of the ECC service: creating a positive, fair, and respectful service culture, building a safe and supportive educational environment, encouraging respectful relationships that value diversity, and actively engaging with parents and carers. It focuses as well on the following educational goals: promoting values and behaviors that encourage children and families' participation and voice, fostering prevention and early intervention approaches, catering for individual needs, and building alliances with the local community.